Hello people and welcome back to Maxi Made channel, a channel in which we feature some of the most epic encounters ever caught on Bikers camera. This episode is packed with all sorts of encounters and hopefully you'll enjoy watching it. Let's start! Biker was just arriving home, but it proved to be costly for him because he was being followed by bike thieves, and as soon as he stopped, this happened. As they were taking his bike, another driver simply passed by. I'm just curious as to how you guys would react. Would you try to help the biker on the spot, call the police, or simply drive off?
Here we go again.
This driver's fragile ego was hurt because biker filtered past him. Instead of minding his own business, he had to flip the biker off. As if that does any good.
Corre, corre. You gonna say something about it? Exactly. Exactly.
Always be cautious while changing lanes and check your mirrors, otherwise you might get yourself in a bad spot, just like this driver here. As he was filtering through traffic, this biker got a bit careless and he hit another driver's mirror. Actually, it was more of a knock rather than a full-on hit. There seemed to be no major damages to both mirrors, and the biker moved on.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you.
Biker was just enjoying a nice cruise around the town when all of a sudden this driver passed him way too dangerously on the shoulder. Judging by the state of his car, he didn't learn his lesson on reckless driving at all. When was the last time you heard of a huge group of bikers being pulled over, and each and every member got a written warning? Do you know how long it takes to give out written warnings to a whole group? This lasted more than an hour.
Meeting up with my guys.
You're what?
Just meeting up with my guys.
Okay.
What's up, guys?
Meeting up with them.
You alright?
Good, what's up, bro?
Alright? Heard about this. Gave everybody a warning.
Yeah, it's like getting a ticket because you got to write it all out and register and everything.
Oh yeah.
It's like getting a ticket. I mean, it takes the same amount. So it's like he's writing 20 tickets.
Oh
He's
man.
got him and me to go.
Guys, let me explain something to you. I'm not out here to be a jerk. I know y'all are all adults. You know how to ride. There are factors that play into those of you that aren't coming home, okay? You cannot count on everything. You have soccer moms that pull out of their driveways, deer that run out of the woods. You have Farmer Brown on his tractor, and all it takes is that one slip up. Like I've told some of y'all, Last week, I myself worked 4 different fatalities. Guys, be careful out there. Stay safe.
Thank you, sir.
I'll see you, what, in a couple of weeks?
Yeah, probably.
Have a new group. Thank you. Yeah, hey. I know you're trying to think.
Biker stopped for a pedestrian at a crosswalk, but unfortunately, not everyone is so considerate like this biker. For example, this bus driver acts completely opposite.
Porra, mano, tu é doido, tu, caralho? Pois é.
Random guy pulled up to the biker at the gas station. He was amazed by the sound of his bike, so he had to come over and talk. Check out the highlight of the clip when his child revved the engine.
Yeah. You want to rev it?
Jackson, rev it up. Go ahead.
It's going to be loud.
Go ahead. Put your hand right here. I used to have a R6.
Yeah.
Listen, man, you guys ride safe, all right, bro?
Yeah, I will. Have a nice night, guys.
Yeah, you too. That
Thank
fucking
you.
exhaust is shit.
Thank you.
It's serious.
Biker went outside to chat with some strangers in traffic in hopes of putting a smile on their faces. He met some interesting people as he was handing out bracelets, and he even managed to do one additional good deed.
Seen you back here, I was just like, hey, Happy New Year.
Hey, I appreciate that, man.
Here you go.
Oh, well, thank you.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah.
I got you.
Yeah. Check it. I like that too. Huh? YouTube. Hang on. It's on here.
This Java had a flat tire and he had to pull over to the side and solve his issue. No one bothered to pull over and check if he needed any sort of help. Well, no one except of this biker.
That curbing, I just caught it out of the corner of my eye.
Really?
Transitioned into this lane.
Oh man, so you already had the lug nuts off and it rolled?
Yeah.
Holy.
Trying to get it just high enough to pull that off there so it doesn't do it again.
Small things like this can mean the world to someone. It's not about the fact that this driver was in desperate need of help, but rather in knowing that there are still kind people out there who are willing to do whatever they can to help.
Oh, just a little bit more. There you go. There you go.
They even became friends after this encounter, and the biker gave him some bracelets as well. Robert's got 4 kids, and therefore he received a handful of them.
Check me out, buddy.
Children are so innocent and pure. That's exactly what makes them so special. Check out the reaction of these young ones when the biker allowed them to rev his bike.
Uh-oh. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
$1.
You wanna rev it? Rev. You wanna rev it? Come on. Just go. See you, buddy.
Talk about your kind deed. What about this one here? Biker noticed 2 dogs in the middle of the road. They had collars around their neck, and this biker just didn't want to leave them there, or even worse, get them impounded.
You good boys? Come here. Hey. 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 What's your names? Do you have any information on your collars? What's your name? What's your name, huh? Hi, I found two dogs here. They are out here in the middle of the street, and this is the phone number, I believe, that's on the collar. They're hard to see the phone number, so I'm just giving it a call. Thank you.
There are not a lot of kind souls like this biker left out there. He put his time and effort to being helpful towards animals. Most people would just pass by without thinking twice. He, on the other hand, was really persistent. Stay tuned to see how it all unfolded.
So unfortunately, I've tried calling both phone numbers. One lady answered and she said it was not her dogs and that was not her, that, you know, the phone number must have been wrong or whatever. And then I tried calling the other phone number and the guy, nobody's answering, so I left them a message. I've left 2 messages. Let's keep going. This is great. They're gonna stay home?
In the end, with the help of a stranger who recognized the dogs, and the biker's strong will to stick till the end for their sake, these dogs found their way back home. Or should I say, this biker helped them get back home. Imagine how unfortunate you have to be that an undercover state trooper pulls out in front of you. Bikers were a free spirit, and they paid no attention while popping wheelies on the road. This was like music to Officer's ears as he pulled them over.
He's changing his oil filter today. Yeah. And I changed mine yesterday. So. Here comes backup.
Some random girls asked this biker to give them a free ride. It came out of nowhere, but he was down for it. He was really nervous during the whole conversation while they were riding, but it kinda makes it also cute and special in a way.
And then turn around or find somewhere to go, or we could just, I don't really know. Here, do you wanna hold my bag for me?
Put it on or?
You can put it in the car or put it on, doesn't matter to me. Yeah. Alright, so you're good to get on. Put your left foot here, and then swing your right foot over. Yeah, you're good.
You wanna go? No.
You don't wanna go?
No, that's okay.
Why not? It is fun. So they asked for my Snap. Unfortunately, I don't use Snap. They don't have a Discord, and they didn't want my number either. People are so like freaked out about numbers these days. It's kind of sad.
I don't know what exactly it is, but this guy on the sidewalk completely lost it over something. Whatever it is, dude, keep your nerves. And with this cool clip, we'll conclude yet another episode on Maxi Made channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something from it as well. After all, why not learn on the mistakes of others if you have the opportunity to? If you like my work, don't be shy to hit that like button and subscribe, because it helps a lot. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care, guys.